Good morning and welcome back to Faith and Flour. I'm Robin, and just like you, I am enjoying the last days of summer. For a lot of you, things have already started to change. We're making that shift towards the fall, even though it may look a lot different this year. Kids are returning back to school, even if that means they're staying at home. We are about to resume a more structured schedule too, with Peyton returning to his work program, which is called BIG. And if you aren't familiar with that, because you're new to my channel, I will have a video up in the cards above, so make sure you check that out to find out more. But this is one of the last mornings that we are going to not really have a schedule, but at the same time, I want to maximize my time in the morning to be as productive as possible. Lazy summer mornings and weekends are times when I like to fix a more substantial breakfast. Lots of times when we're on the go, we just grab something quickly. I think breakfast is important, but I rarely have this much time in the mornings to devote to preparing something. So that is something I'm savoring at this time of year too. Throughout the summer, even though I didn't always have a place to go, and that may not even change for a lot of us as we shift into fall, we may still be spending lots of time at home, I still made an effort to get ready each day. So I didn't necessarily do full-on hair and makeup, but just doing a little and then getting dressed for the day really prepares me to be more productive. Before I leave the bathroom, I do a quick tidy up, just putting away all of the things that I use to get ready in the morning so that the bathroom is reset. And of course, I take a couple of minutes to make our bed. It's that small effort, big impact thing I'm always talking about. The next thing I try to do every day to get off on the best foot possible is to spend a little bit of time reading my Bible. I've been using the Bible Recap app, which is a plan that helps you read through the Bible in a year. I take some notes on things that stand out to me, and then I can share those notes with my friends that I meet with once a week. If you're interested, check the description box for more information on the free Bible Recap app and also my weekly planning, productivity, and organizing video. I love using essential oils to scent our home and to use for various things around our home. And so I'm always really excited when my Simply Earth recipe box arrives each month. Simply Earth also sells their oils individually. They're 100% pure and they're a third the price of all of the major brands. The recipe box is a great value. You get 4 oils each month plus about 6 recipes that teach you how to use them. They have a theme each month, which is really fun, and they also include some of the extras that you need for making the recipes. This month's box is all about making your home smell better than ever. Most store-bought air fresheners are filled with synthetic fragrances and toxic chemicals. With how quick and easy this month's recipes are, you'll never want to go back to those toxic sprays again. This month's box includes lemon eucalyptus, which is great for repelling insects and deodorizing, blood orange, used for uplifting, cleaning, and soothing pain, clove, which supports focus and the immune system, and one of my favorites, Defender blend. It is used for boosting immunity and killing germs, and I love putting it into my recipe for DIY disinfecting cleaner. I'll put that recipe down in the description box in case you're interested in that too. Defender is a comparable blend to Thieves from Young Living and On Guard from doTERRA. It's a great fall scent too. It smells amazing, it has a ton of uses, and you can get it in this month's box or you can get it individually from Simply Earth, like I said, for about a third the price of those major brands. One of the things I look forward to the most in my Simply Earth recipe box each month is the diffuser blend recipe. So I'm mixing up one from this month's box right now, and I have the ingredients on the screen if you want to try it out. And if you are interested in trying out Simply Earth, a great way to do it is with their monthly recipe box. This subscription can be canceled at any time, so there's no long-term commitment. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you use my link in the description box along with the code FAITHANDFLOURFREE to receive a $40 gift card with your first recipe box, and you'll also get a big bonus box filled with all the things you need to make the great recipes each month. This blend is making our kitchen smell amazing, and while I enjoy it, I'm going to finish up the breakfast dishes. Patrick and I got up earlier than Peyton this morning, so I left out the pan so that Peyton could make his own eggs this morning, and now it's time to clean those things up so that I can reset the kitchen and move on to other things. Usually in the mornings, I like to spend some time answering emails, answering comments if I have up a new video, doing some editing, or anything that needs to be done in my office on the computer. And on this day, I wanted to get the bathrooms clean. So I decided that I would set a goal for myself to get at least one done before lunchtime. So I've got a little time to make that happen, and I'm gonna start with Kyle's bathroom. Kyle was with us for an unexpectedly long period of time through the summer this year. He came home early from college to finish up his courses from home because of the pandemic, and then also wasn't able to do his internship over the summer because of the pandemic, so we enjoyed all of the extra time with him. He did a really good job of keeping his own bathroom clean throughout all of that time, but now that he's gone back to university, it's time for me to get in here and reset things. To clean the mirror, sink, and countertop, I'm using a microfiber cloth that is just dampened with water from eCloth. Because these cloths capture 99% of dirt and bacteria, I don't have to use any extra product, so that makes this job really quick and easy. After cleaning, I like to dry the mirrors and the fixtures with the window polishing cloth, also from eCloth. This gives everything a nice streak-free shine. For his shower, I'm spraying on a mixture that is 50% vinegar and 50% dishwashing liquid. This is that miracle shower cleaner that was really popular on Pinterest that I've talked to you guys about. I like to let the mixture sit for a little bit before I start cleaning, so while it's doing its thing, I start cleaning the toilet. I really like to use disposable wipes when cleaning the toilet, and I like the ones from 7th generation. They're all natural and they're antibacterial and antiviral. Plus, when I'm finished with them, I can just toss them in the trash and I don't have to worry about any cross-contamination or putting them into my washing machine with our other laundry. And for the inside of the toilet, I like the Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner. You might have seen me put some of that in when I started cleaning the bathroom because, again, I like to let it sit. It does a better job of breaking down anything that's building up on the inside, like these hard water stains that you can see just under the rim. Now for the shower, I'm just going to work that mixture in and remove any soap scum buildup, and then I will rinse everything with a microfiber cloth that's been dampened with water. We have a handheld attachment for our shower in our bathroom, and I'm seriously considering installing one in each of the boys' rooms because it makes rinsing the shower so much easier. Now I'm just going to refill this glass foaming soap dispenser. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Oat Blossom. It smells really good and I just have to use a little bit. Then I fill the container the rest of the way with water, mix it up a little bit, and it foams really well. You can also buy pre-made foaming hand soap, but I found this to be more economical. I put this soap dispenser in my Amazon store to make it easy for you to find, and you can find the link for my Amazon store in the description box. Well, it's lunchtime and I didn't quite finish because I didn't get to the floors, but I will make sure to get to those right after lunch along with the rest of the bathrooms. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, I want to invite you to subscribe. Subscribing is easy, absolutely free, and if you activate the bell icon, you'll get a notification every time I upload a new video so you don't miss out on anything. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I really appreciate it. I look forward to talking with you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful week.